In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the sum children formula correctly in Smartsheet and avoid the common unparseable or zero result errors. Start by creating a parent row where you want the total to appear. In the parent cell, enter the formula equals sum children and press enter. If the result shows 0 or an error, don't worry, the formula itself is usually not the problem. The key is that sum children only works when there is a true parent-child hierarchy. Select the rows containing your values and click the indent button so they become child rows underneath the parent row. Once the rows are properly indented, Smartsheet recognizes the relationship and automatically calculates the total. If your formula still isn't working, double check that the rows are actually indented beneath the parent row and that the child cells contain numeric values. Most sum children errors happen because the hierarchy hasn't been set up correctly. With the parent-child structure in place, the formula updates automatically whenever child values change, making it perfect for project roll-ups, budgets, and task summaries. Thanks for watching.